Today we are showcasing a meticulously upgraded townhouse where every aspect has been crafted with your comfort in mind. I'm Helen from Helen's team here today showcasing Unit 8 at 100 BLUEVALE Street North. We're standing here today on what will soon be the new asphalt driveway. This cute complex is about to get a total makeover. A new kitchen with quartz countertops will be the envy of all your family and friends. 2 updated bathrooms will make every day feel like a spa day. Throughout the home, brand new flooring not only enhances the aesthetic, but also promises durability and low maintenance living. Some of my favorite enhancements are the freshly painted walls, the modern furnace and AC system, and the upgraded electrical panel. So if you're looking for a move-in ready retreat within a vibrant Waterloo community, call Helen's team today because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.